I'm giving away my Yamaha MT-09 and you guys can win it. Every $5 spent on my website, Motonosity.com, gets you one entry into winning this bike. I got a ton of merch, stickers, key tags, reservoir covers, shirts, hoodies like this. Daily 100 hoodie that I've got up there. You can get it all, Motonosity.com, top link in the description. All the details are over there. Let's get to the video. Daily 100. Oh, I got that truck in the way. All right, we'll save it. What's going on, guys? Motonosity here, back with another pure sound video. However, quick announcement before I just shut up and let you guys hear the sweet sounds of this bike. Now that we have the new chain and sprocket on here that Motivation set me up with, it's the EK 3D chain, my absolute favorite chain you can put on a sport bike, and the Super Sprockets. It's got aluminum on the center and steel on the teeth. Kind of best of both worlds, light but strong. If you want to see the install video, I'll link that down in the description. If you want to see the video where I rode the bike for the first time, I'll link that down in the description. But that's not what I was going to say. Before we get to just letting you guys hear the sound of this bike, I wanted to let you guys know that my new channel, the Pokemon channel that I'm launching, is going to be debuting on January 1st. So make sure you head on over there, subscribe. It's called Motonosity, obviously. I'll link the channel in the description. It'll probably be on the screen right now too if you click that little eye. But I told you guys about this a little while ago, and since then I've been setting up a whole new studio space, collecting a lot of new product, and I'm ready to go. I did some filming today, and I'm stacking up some videos so we can launch the new year and the new channel with a bang, and I'd really love to have you guys there. It's going to be tons of fun. If you're at all interested in Pokemon, you're going to have a good time. Even if you aren't, we're going to be doing live streams. We're going to do gaming. It's going to be a good time, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. So head on over there, hit the subscribe button, turn on those post notifications. We're going to be starting 2021 with daily videos on that channel. But I've got a nice little ride planned here today. Got Dustin behind me on his R1. Got me on my 2020 R1. And it's going to be a fun little ride. I think this video will be going out the day after Christmas, day of Christmas, whatever it is. I hope you guys have or had an absolute banger of a Christmas. A great day if you just, I don't know. I hope you guys are having an awesome week. You know, this has been a crazy year, and it's coming to a close, and I really hope that if it wasn't good for you, that this new year is better for you. What is going on? What the heck? What the heck? Holy crap. Look, it legit looks like someone ran over all those bushes, and it's just laying in the street. So sit back, grab some chocolate or some sort of adult beverage, some cookies maybe, some delicious leftovers. And enjoy the sweet, sweet sound of, he's gonna miss a turn. The sweet, sweet sounds of the 2020 R1 SC Project exhaust. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Oh, by the way, you can follow the Motonosity pages on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all across the web, Motonosity. But I hope you guys enjoy the video.